Hey there and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a background from an image for free, and it literally takes a few seconds. Right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to this link. I'll have it down in the description below. Once you navigated to this website, you're going to just click on upload image, right? And then you can basically select any type of image that you want to remove the background on. So as you can see, I did this one over here previously. And you can see it really does a good job in terms of removing the background, right? And then once you're done, you just click on download. And obviously, if you want a larger image, it's gonna cost a bit, but you can do it for free. This is quite a big size. I mean, it's 612 pixels by 408. So if we just download that and we take a look at the downloads of the app, let's actually just open this up and then flip through it and see what the other one looks like, right? I mean, it looks really good. I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. Um, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.